Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today.
Today I have a video for you. I'm going to be making a card with the supplies from the SCT sampler from September. And you get this die, you get the word enjoy, and then the background for it. I'm only going to be using the word enjoy today. And these patterns papers that you see here came in the kit along with these stickers. These are sticker words that you can use, and I'm going to these are from Simple Stories, this here, and it's called the Let's Go collection. So these pattern papers, this tag's really cute, but I am going to trim it down, and then I thought I would use my hole punch and cut out some of these little stars just for decoration and ephemera. But these are cute too if you wanted to use these. So I've got my A2 size. This is a Nina Solar White 110 pound cardstock. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and start by trimming off my tag. And I just want to cut just a little bit off each side, about 1/4 of an inch on each side. It looks like it's time to change my blade. Okay, so now we've got like this tall, thin tag here. I'm just going to use my nail buffer to go ahead and clean up this edge. Pretty cool, huh? Not just for nails. Okay, that's nice. All right, now for this one. This one needs to be 4 1/4. Let's make it all the way. 4 1/4 to 5 1/2. So that'll go on there like that. And then this is going to go on here. And then maybe I'll move it over to the side here. Alright, so there's the word enjoy. Now let's cut out some of these circles for fun. Let's hope I can center it well. I think I'll just lay it down on the table and then just push. And we'll see what we get if I don't lose them, if they don't fly everywhere. Pretty cool, I like that. Okay, let's get this pink one if we can. Will it go all the way over? Now we'll have to trim this edge a little bit. So let me get my scissors. Now there we go. Have to be perfect, but it's kind of cool. Now I also like this right here, this pretty lime color. I think that's kind of nice, so I want that one. So let me go ahead and cut that off. I hope I didn't move it too much. That almost looks like a ball. Kind of cool. Alrighty, so there we go with that. And then let's move this word enjoy up, because what I want to do is I want to say enjoy. See how it says enjoy the journey? But I'm gonna cut off the word enjoy because I already have it. I wonder if it'd be cool to put it over the J. I don't think so. Let's cut this a little bit. Enjoy the journey. And then, let's see. I want to say life's an adventure. Where is it? Life is good. We just want to say life is. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that just yet. Now I need the word an adventure. Let's go on an adventure. Okay. Okay, life's an adventure. Enjoy. Enjoy the journey. There we go.